Alright, let's make a fun hat covered in flowers. Miss Bunnie here, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of making your own fun hat. First thing you need is a hat. It doesn't matter what color, just pick a hat. Next, get some faux flowers. Mine's on a string and it looks so cool. So pretty. Next, get some hair beads or rhinestones. Try to pick a pop color so they give it a little extra something.
Now, as beautiful as the sewing machine is, we won't be using her today. Sorry, guys. Let's just put her away. You know what? She's pretty. Let's just leave her here because she's so pretty to look at.
The next step is to create your individual flowers. Be careful with scissors and cut out flowers, or you can do like I did and find a garland or string that already has flowers on it. You can just cut the strings off and keep the flowers. Now for this particular project, you don't need a lot of flowers. You can just use a few, but I cut all of them off just so I can save the remaining flowers for a later project. You can use as little or as many as you want, depends on how you want your hat to turn out. And don't forget to clean as you go. Now comes the fun part where we get to design our hat. You should take your flowers and place them in different patterns to see which way you like the most. There's no wrong way to do this. This part is about what feels right to you, what feels like it'll be cute when you put it on. Now, flip over your hat and let's start with the bottom. Spread out your flowers and get a good look at how they're positioned. Move it around until you feel comfortable with how they look. Now you can choose between craft glue or hot glue. In this instance, I'm going to use my hot glue gun to take little small dabs of glue right in the center and apply it to the flowers and apply the flowers to the hat. If you want to do this project with a hot glue gun, please use caution. Get an adult to help you do this. Once you're done with the bottom, flip the hat over and start applying flowers to the top. Place your flowers in different ways till you decide which layout looks best for you, and then you can go in with the hot glue gun again to start putting the flowers on the hat. Now that I'm putting on bigger flowers, notice I'm putting on more glue. Before, I was just putting a small dab in the center of the small flower. This time, I'm making sure the entire center there has enough glue on it because you want to make sure that your flower doesn't fall off of your hat while you're wearing it. And this is how it's looking so far. It already looks so pretty and cute. It's time for the beads now. Woohoo! This is the last step. We're going to add beads in random spaces just to add a little bit more filler and a little bit more pop to our hat. Beads are small, so it's easy to make a mistake and hurt yourself if you're not being careful. Take your time. Now that the top is done, don't forget to flip it over and do the bottom as well. And just like that, we have a brand new hat.
Wow!
Comment below at what fun hat I should make next. I'm thinking rainbows and clouds or frog hat. I don't know. Options are endless. We could do anything. I can make a bird hat. I get feathers, right? And then it could be like a flying bird. Yeah. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, Miss Bunnie's Universe. We're gonna do so much fun things together. Bye, guys.